Today we are looking at pancakes, but these are not just any pancakes. These are big fluffy Japanese pancakes. Let's go. Crack and whip up an egg. Whippity whip. Nice. Pop in your pancake mix and milk. About 200 ml please, and give everything a good mixy mix. Looking a bit dry, more milk and mix. No lumps please, unless there are already lumps. In a hot pan with no oil, add your mix. Cover with the lid and cook on one side. Get your spatula stuck for comedic effect. Flip over the pancake and put the lid back on. Once everything is cooked through, set it aside. See you in a bit. Second big pancake. Lid on and off. Pancake flip. Pancake flip times 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stack these guys up. Use a cookie cutter to open up the middle. Realize the metal is a conductor. Ouch. Magic in a plate. Put in some strawberries. Cute. Dust with some sugar. A hint for you guys, syrup is on sugar. Shove a bunch in the middle. More diabetes. And look at that, I'm an Instagrammer. Adorable. But how do they taste? With this I'll be famous in no time. For promos, contact my agent. No paparazzi please. Let's begin. Itadakimasu. You'll think that pancakes this big will take way too long to cook, but leave it alone and cook it on low heat in a small pan. Makes it so you can cook these thick boys all the way through, and they are so thick that you can practice doing cool pancake flips. Don't burn me though if you drop it. Flour pancakes still taste good though. Hope you have a go. Till next time.